In this video, I'm going to show you how to prepare CV or resume. When you are applying for a job or you are applying for higher qualification, you need CV. This is very important step. So it depends. This is my CV in PDF. You just have a look here. I just put here my address first in education, and this then my publications, and just then book chapters, and I attend conferences and exhibitions, and work experience, and research activity and key skills, key characterization tools, supervision, accolades mean your achievements here, and these are my research profiles. Okay, let's see here the how I prepare this in MS Word. Sometimes people downloaded some profiles or some templates. I think just use plain MS Word and just write all detail here. Picture is optional. If you want to put your picture, it's good. If you do not want to put your picture, it's up to you. So if you want to put picture here, so you take this shape here and draw a specific place for it here, just like this, and you just bring your picture here. And if you do not want to put your picture, it's up to you. This is, for example, just take the table here. When you take the table here, so this table is basically, when you put here all border, it will look like a table here. You see, this is a table, and you can work very easily in the table. And later you can easily remove this table. Just select this table here, and just go to this option and write here, click here, no border. You see, it will look like this. You can also remove these lines here if you want to send in, but it will not come in print, or if you convert into PDF, it will not show these lines here. You can also remove this. How to remove this? Select this and go to layout and click this uncheck view grid line. When you uncheck this view grid line, so it will look like this. So now I am going to show how to prepare this and how to prepare your CV here. Sometimes people write here at the top curriculum vitae like this. So if you want to write here and keep it here, let's make it in the center and close this. So it will be in all pages now. You see here, in all pages, at the top of all pages, it is curriculum vitae Kamarwali. Okay, so you just write here address at the first stage, and people also here write that personal profile here. If you want to write here personal profile, this is mean address. So you can also write personal profile here. Yes, and if you want to write address here, so you can also write address here. After that, just put your education. Education is very important. Just write the title of the degree and year and university, and write about little bit about that here, that what you did in that particular degree, what you did at that particular course. This is I did PhD in physics from Malaysia in 2016, and this is my research domains. This is I did master in 2009, and this was my main areas. Then I just put my bachelor and my college and my schooling. After that is I know that I have papers, I have publications, so I put my publications. These are the key things here. I just mentioned that I have published 15 articles. The total impact factor is 80 here. You see, and my total citation is this much, H index, etc. And these are my publication, because if I am going for a research or for some post, so I must need to put these research paper here. And this is also I published book chapter here. These are my conferences I put here. If you do not have any conferences, so do not put here. So after that, this is my work experience. So this is my work experience. You just need to put the latest stuff at the top, and down you need to put the old one. These are my research activities and key skills here. These are my characterization tools. These characterization tools I know, and this is my little bit supervision. I supervise students. These are my accolades, mean I achieve these achievements, these accolades, distinction. These are my research profiles. Sometimes references is a optional. If you want to put references, so put. I just write here a sentence that references, referees are available on demand. Available on demand. If they demand you, so you can send the references, right? So you can write that referees are available on demand or on request. Okay. So this is how you prepare your curriculum vitae or your CV here. Now, if you wish to convert this into, as I told that this line is not appearing in PDF, just go here and click in Save As option. I'm just saving this in a desktop, and I'm just going to this PDF. I just write test. So it will here appear here, and it will convert to PDF. So you see, this is my PDF curriculum vitae here, Kamarwali, and this is all my detail. I think putting picture is appropriate. It will give good impression. So this is my CV. If you are a bachelor student, if you do not have publications, so you need to write about here your project. If you did some project, and you just write about that, write a paragraph. And do not write objective. I think this is goals or objective. It not look like good. Everybody knows that you are copying from Google and you are just copying other people's stuff. So do not put there these kind of things. Just write about big things here. And if you are a beginner, so just write about your qualification, education, just about your project, and which characterization tools you know. Just write about that here. And if you have some work experience, so these are the when your project you just did some research activities, and you know the skills, you know the instrument, how to use. So these kind of things, you can, if you have any distinctions, write accolades. So I hope you learn how to prepare CV, and just prepare in a table here. Just take the table and just write these kind of things in a table. I think table, it is much better to work in a table. It will help you, and it will make your life easier. Do not download template or something. Just plain text is fine. Okay. Thanks for watching.